Intro, King Bike. Welcome to King Bike. Today we're taking a quick look at the reliable and budget-friendly Hero HF Deluxe, a commuter bike known for its simplicity, fuel efficiency, and everyday practicality. Engine and performance. The Hero HF Deluxe comes with a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth and consistent performance. It's not built for speed, but it provides enough power for daily commuting, city rides, and short-distance travel. The engine is refined and works well even on rough roads. Fuel efficiency. One of the biggest highlights of the HF Deluxe is its excellent mileage. Thanks to Hero's i3S technology, the bike offers impressive fuel efficiency, making it a top choice for riders looking to save money on fuel. Design and comfort. The design is simple yet practical, with a clean look that appeals to everyday riders. It features a comfortable seat, upright riding posture, and lightweight body, making it easy to handle in traffic and ideal for long daily use. Features. The bike includes essential features like an analog instrument cluster, electric start in select variants, and durable suspension. It may not be packed with modern tech, but it focuses on reliability and ease of use. Price and value. The Hero HF Deluxe is one of the most affordable bikes in its segment. With low maintenance costs and strong resale value, it offers excellent value for money, especially for students and daily commuters. Conclusion. If you're looking for a simple, economical, and dependable motorcycle, the Hero HF Deluxe is a solid choice. It's built for everyday life and continues to be a trusted companion for millions of riders. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to King Bike for more bike reviews.